home. I am Yvonne and today I am come up with a very exciting challenge video, which is guess the chip challenge. So in today's video basically one chip will be kept on this plate. You can see. So this plate one chip will be kept and I'll be blindfolded and I have to just taste the chip and guess which chip it is. I have to guess even the brand of the chip, so that's going to be really difficult because I'm going to be blindfolded, and when you're blindfolded it kind of gets really difficult to guess the chip because you're losing one sense completely. So in today's video my mom is going to help me out to do this challenge wherein she'll keep the chip over here and I have to guess it. Though she's not going to come in front of the camera, she's going to be doing all the work behind the camera and helping me out to complete this challenge. So I'm really excited to see how this challenge turns out. And also she's told me if I lose there's going to be a punishment, and I will just give you a little backstory of how this challenge happened. So basically 2 days from today I had told my mom that I want to do something like this, and she was like, okay, do it, like you see who's helping you out of the house. I asked everybody at my place and no one is ready to do this challenge with me. So then I decided I'll do this challenge alone, but I just need a person to just come and keep the chip over here. So she agreed for it, and yesterday I went and asked her like, when are we doing the challenge? And she's like, I have bought everything, you just tell me when you want to do the challenge. So today I decided I'm going to do the challenge, and I have not seen any of the chips. Like I don't know when she went and bought the chips, so I don't know, and where the chips also I don't know. Like I'm going to be blindfolded, I think then she's going to get the chips and come. So yeah, now let's see how it turns out. I'm really excited and nervous at the same time because she told me there's going to be a punishment if I lose. But she has not told me the punishment, she has not told me the reward, she has not told me anything. She just told me you come and sit, you guess the chip, and then we'll see whether you're going to get the punishment or going to get the reward. So please guys, do pray for me that we get a reward today. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So now guys, I am blindfolded and I cannot see anything, and now we are going to start with the challenge. So my mom is just going to show you all the chip in the front of the camera, and then she's going to place one over here on the plate. Where is the plate? Okay, on the plate. So now let's get started. So guys, I got the signal that the chip is kept. Is it okay? They can see?
Yeah.
So here is the first chip which you all can see, but I can't. So let's taste it now. They're really tiny and they look like some wheel. Peppies?
Are you sure? Your final answer?
I'm not sure, but yeah, I think it's Peppy. You're going to tell me the result at the end of the video?
Yes.
So guys, this is the second chip. You can see, I hope so. So this is what it looks like. This also looks like wheels only. Oh my God. Okay. And I'm totally confused because the first one also was like a wheel, second one also was like a wheel. This is Peppy, I think. This one is Peppy.
Sure? Final answer?
What was the first one? Yeah, I'm sure. It's Peppy.
Okay, so what was the first one then?
I don't know. Both were like wheels, both were Peppies. New flavors on Peppies.
That you'll come to know at the end of the video. Okay? So have patience.
And what's the passing for this video?
That we'll decide later on.
guys, this is the third chip which is kept. Okay, so you can see it. So this is what it looks like. Some tomato chips.
Which one?
Balaji's.
Your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the fourth chip. You can see. So this is what it looks like. This is also tomato chip.
Which brand?
It doesn't taste like Lay's. Halke fulke?
Sure? Last final answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the chips are tasting like similar only. So this is the fifth chip. You can see. Okay, it looks like some sticks. What sticks are these now? It's some corn chips. This is Kurkure, the orange packet.
Okay, final answer? Okay.
So this is the sixth chip. Okay, this is also some sticks. You can see. The Chataka Pataka.
Final answer?
No, 1 minute. Tede Mede?
Final answer?
Fire.
Okay. So now you can open your fold.
So guys, I finally done, and हम 6 chips में से how many I got right?
5.
I got 5 right and 1 wrong. And which one was wrong? Okay, so I went wrong with the wheels because I got confused. I think with the peppy also was, the peppy wheels and the wheels, the Balajika wheels, and only one is wrong. So have I passed? Okay, so we're gonna get a reward. We have passed this challenge successfully, and now we're going to get a reward. I don't know what the reward is, but I don't know the reward is there now. We'll think what we are going to take as a reward from my mom, because she was the second participant of the challenge, and let's see what reward she gives us. So whenever she gives me a reward, I will either post it as a picture or something over here, or in another video wherever I get the reward. And with this we come to an end to this challenge. I hope you enjoyed this challenge because I enjoyed myself thoroughly. Though I'm telling you seriously, though I eat a lot of chips, I won't deny the fact. But when I'm blindfolded to guess the chip, it was really difficult. Like you don't get the taste of the chip. Like when your eyes are open, you can literally get the taste of the chip. But when your eyes are closed, it's very difficult to get the taste of the chip. I don't know how I managed to get right, 5 right at least, thank God. I don't know. But seriously, we passed today. So we have successfully passed the challenge. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this challenge because I enjoyed myself doing it. And if you all want me to do such different challenges more in the future, please do let me know in the comment section below. And even if you all want me to do some other kind of challenges, please do let me know about that also in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because there is a lot of new content coming on this channel, like the state food challenges are going to come. The color food challenges also are going to come. So please do subscribe and please do give this video a big thumbs up and also share it with your family and friends so that we can grow this family soon. And if you have any video suggestions or recommendations, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to know that. And I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye.